So I'm going to get ready for bed now. I already have my eyelashes off. I took them off at my vanity. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my makeup, and it's super easy. This is the Face Halo Pro. That's why it's black. Either this or the original are fantastic. They're just microfiber cloths, and all you need is water, and this removes all of your makeup. No chemicals, no grease or anything like that. This is amazing. You don't even have to press hard. It's like super light. And all your makeup just wipes off. Pretty crazy. This is a full wing. Used to be when I removed my makeup, my brows would also be gone, but I got them microbladed. So those are here to stay. Thank goodness. Just rinse this off. Just take a bar of soap. Lather both sides. There you go. Just hang this up to dry. And then once a week, I put that in the laundry. Every night I wash my face with the Clarisonic. So this is the Mia, I believe, the Mia 2 maybe. And then this is the Sensitive brush, not sure. But for the Clarisonic, I always make sure to replace the brush head every 3 months. For germs and then just the shape of the brush, just make sure that you change it. And then for face wash, I use CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin. So if you know me, I've talked about this before, I have very oily skin, but my secret is that I use products for dry skin because I feel like if you use products for oily skin, they tend to dry you out because they want to get rid of your excess oil. I want to keep all my oil because I think that oil is what the fountain of youth is made of. I've said that before. And then also, like, if you put drying products on your face, some people break out because when it's drying, your body's like, oh, I'm really dry, I better produce a whole bunch of more oil. But if you put oil on it, it's like, oh, I don't need to produce much more because I'm getting so much. Does that make sense? I cannot stand doing this in my sink. I have to do this in the shower because the water is just dripping everywhere. And you know when you like wash your face in the sink and like it gets wet on your arm and then goes into your elbow? I cannot stand that. So I'm going to do this in the shower and I'll be right back. I'm clean. So the first thing I'm going to do, most of these are going to be my first impressions because I've not tried a lot of these products. I just can't believe the kits. So the first kit that I bought, I was just going to grab the Vino Perfect serum, and for the same exact price, it was the same size bottle with 2 other things. So I was like, how can I pass this up? Concentrated brightening essence, so it's like a toner. And the lady at Sephora compared it to like the SK2 toner. I was sold because I heard great things about that toner. But I was sold because it was free. So I'm just going to apply this to a cotton ball. She said you can just press this onto your face with your hands, but I like toners. I feel like they can remove things that you didn't even know you had. I think it's worth it to use a cotton ball. And then if I have any leftover eyeliner, it's time to say goodbye. See? Ew. I think the next step would be eye cream because I want to have this on my face like the most. Apply this to the eye corners, crow's feet. I use all this stuff at night. I don't really do anything in the mornings to get ready. I just wash my face like with soap. I don't do much else. It says you can apply this at morning or night, but I will just be doing this in the night. And for wrinkles and stuff like that, like I don't want to wait until I have them to try and prevent them. Preventative is the best when it comes to wrinkles and stuff like that. And then this is my favorite product ever. I'm going to take the Vino Perfect. And that's what it is. It is perfect. I'm just going to take the eyedropper and apply this. Oh, I'm so excited. This stuff smells really good. And it moisturizes like a dream, but it's not greasy. It just moisturizes and evens your skin tone. Like all these dark spots that I have, like I'm not even worried about them because this stuff will brighten all your dark spots, moisturize your face. And I'm not joking, like I think that when I put this on, like when I used to use this daily, I felt like my skin looked younger because it like felt more plump and like more hydrated. Oh, I love this stuff. So that is my favorite step. Love that. On top of that, I just put some of the moisturizing sorbet. This, I bought like a big bottle of this and I did end up using it all up. It's a sorbet, so it's like whipped. But I just apply this right on top. It's a little bougie and extra. I don't even do this every night, but I really appreciated this like in the winter when I was super dry. This is so nice. And then I, you know, extend to your neck and your hands and all that kind of stuff too. This is the Overnight Renewal Cream. I want to try all this stuff out. Like I'm really not this extra at night, you guys, but I want to try all these out and like have like a fair review, you know? I just don't know if I can do this many steps every night. I definitely remove my makeup every night. And I use the Clarisonic every night. And then moisturize. So 5 steps of moisturizer, I don't know, you guys. And there was like a mask in there too and like other stuff like that, but this is all she wrote for tonight. I have Aquaphor on my lips, all ready for bed. And then my new favorite gadget is this jade roller. This is from Herbivore. You saw this like, I think this was on the, like in line when you're getting ready to pay at Sephora, but this is so nice. I just roll this on my face and it feels so good. So it's really cold because it's jade. So you just roll this on your face and it feels like you're getting a massage. Like you can seriously feel like the tension of your face being rubbed away and just smoothed out. You don't have to press hard, but it's seriously just like, it's like a massage. Once the large part gets a little closer to my skin temperature, I switch to the little guy and I